Have you ever reflected on whether the day of your birth exerts a relevant influence on your existence that you may not be aware of? There are various spiritual models based on the date you came into the world. Continue reading to learn what spiritual model relates to your birth date. The resilient archetype corresponds to those who come into the world on the 1st, 8th, 15th, and 26th of any month. These are the people you turn to when life becomes complicated because they have a special combination of strength, aspiration, and firmness. Think of someone who faces challenges directly without yielding, regardless of how complex the circumstances present themselves. Their path doesn't consist solely of overcoming barriers, but of developing through them. When life offers them adversities, the resilient don't perceive them as impediments, but as opportunities to strengthen themselves. They are convinced that the battles they face shape them into the people they are destined to become. Similar to molding metal in flames, each experience makes them more solid and durable. Their spiritual path is intimately individual. They spend time meditating on their internal conflicts, seeking purpose and understanding instead of escaping from their difficulties. They confront them using them as energy to propel themselves forward through inner contemplation and strength of soul. They find a sense of finality and orientation. But the resilient don't only focus on their own journey. They function as beacons of hope for others, demonstrating that it's possible to triumph. Even the most arduous trials motivate those around them to continue forward no matter what life presents them. And by proceeding this way, they generate an effect of resistance and firmness that extends widely. Therefore, the next time you find yourself facing a complicated moment, look for the resilient in your environment. They will remind you that you possess greater strength than you consider and that whatever happens, you are capable of overcoming any obstacle. If you came into the world on the 2nd, 6th, 10th, 16th, or 23rd of any month, you probably identify with the compassionate archetype. These people function as emotional receivers, capturing the feelings and experiences of those who are near. They possess an innate ability for understanding and kindness, frequently placing others' needs above their own. For compassionate souls, attending to others is something instinctive. They possess a deep understanding of human emotions and are always available to listen or provide comfort. However, balancing their natural impulse to help others with self-care can represent a challenge. They frequently find themselves giving so much to others that they neglect attending to themselves. Their spiritual journey focuses on emotional healing and soul care. They understand that authentic development arises from within and give priority to self-reflection and self-love. By taking care of their own emotional well-being, they find themselves better prepared to support those around them. Compassionate souls are like luminous guides in an occasionally dark world. Their kindness has no borders, and they are always present to offer a gentle word or an act of support. But it's fundamental that they remember to renew their own energetic reserves to avoid exhaustion from giving excessively in the end. Compassionate souls remind us of the potential of understanding and kindness. They show us that by attending to others and ourselves, we manage to create a more benevolent and united world. Those who come into the world on the 3rd, 9th, 18th, or 25th of any month represent the explorer archetype. These people continuously hunger for wisdom, constantly seeking to expand their understanding of the universe. For explorers, knowing is not simply a diversion. It constitutes a lifestyle. Their search for wisdom is not individualistic. On the contrary, they perceive themselves as mentors and guides eager to transmit the understanding they have obtained with others. They find gratification in helping those near them navigate through life's difficulties and discover their own path to clarity. In their spiritual journey, explorers enormously appreciate understanding. They comprehend that authentic wisdom doesn't arise solely from knowledge in texts, but from lived experience. Each challenge they face represents a possibility to become wiser and more enlightened, and they receive these challenges with complete disposition. Explorers function as flashlights that illuminate the paths of those nearby, providing direction and support, helping others find their course through life's twists and turns. And by proceeding this way, they generate a chain effect of enlightenment that spreads widely. But being an explorer doesn't always turn out to be simple. Sometimes they can get lost in their search for wisdom, neglecting to live in the present moment. It's fundamental that explorers remember to balance their yearning for knowledge with an appreciation for the present. Those born on the 10th, 17th, or 27th of any month represent the creator archetype. These people possess a special combination of modesty and creativity that characterizes them. They have an ability to transform the common into the exceptional and find joy in manifesting themselves through different forms of art. For creators, creativity is not merely a distraction. It constitutes a spiritual practice. They understand the transformative power of creation and employ it as a path to connect with the sacred, whether drawing, writing, or creating. They deposit their heart and spirit in their works, imbuing them with purpose and beauty in their spiritual journey. Creators embrace their creative impulses, perceiving them as a source of inspiration and direction. They understand that through their art, they can connect with something superior to themselves, surpassing the common and reaching the sacred. Creators are like magicians who weave beauty and wonder into the fabric of daily life. Their works elevate and inspire those nearby, reminding us of the magic found in the world. But it's not only about the final result for creators, but the process itself. However, creators can occasionally battle with uncertainty and perfectionism. They may worry that their works aren't good enough or that they'll never reach their own high standards. It's fundamental that creators remember that art is subjective and that the most relevant thing is to manifest authentically. Those born on the 5th, 7th, 19th, or 28th of any month represent the mystic archetype. These people are the deep thinkers, those who continuously meditate on life's great questions and seek to decipher the cosmos enigmas. Mystics possess a stoic serenity that hides abundant inner universes where they submerge themselves in the depths of their spirits in search of enlightenment. Their spiritual journey constitutes an intense exploration and connection with the sacred. Mystics feel attracted to mystical experiences and spiritual disciplines that facilitate surpassing the terrestrial and connecting with something superior to themselves. They understand that authentic wisdom arises from within and are prepared to undertake introspective searches to find it. Unlike other archetypes, mystics feel comfortable with uncertainty and embrace life's enigmas. They perceive beauty in the unknown and find tranquility in the notion of something beyond human understanding. Their journey doesn't consist of finding specific answers, but in embracing the journey itself. Mystics function as wise ones who share their perspectives and knowledge with those willing to hear. They provide a different vision of existence, one based on spirituality and inner contemplation. But their journey isn't simple. They frequently battle with existential questions and existential anguish while trying to make sense of the world around them. Despite the challenges they face, mystics remain firm in their search for enlightenment. They understand that the spiritual journey constitutes a lifelong search and are prepared to consecrate themselves completely to it. Ultimately, mystics remind us of the relevance of submerging ourselves in the depths of our souls and connecting with something superior to ourselves. Those born on the 11th, 24th, or 30th of any month represent the solitary archetype. These people prefer isolation and inner contemplation, finding tranquility in silent spaces where they can delve deeply into their thoughts and feelings. The solitary archetype doesn't consist of isolation, but rather of finding purpose and wisdom through deep reflection. For solitaries, isolation doesn't constitute punishment, but a path toward a deeper understanding of oneself and the cosmos. They understand that true wisdom arises from within and that silent contemplation is essential for personal development. In their solitary moments, solitaries find clarity and introspection, which facilitates navigating life's complexities with wisdom and elegance. Their spiritual journey is deeply introspective, focusing on delving into the depths of their souls to discover hidden truths. Solitaries perceive isolation as a means of deeper commitment to themselves and the cosmos, which facilitates forging a deep connection with the sacred. Silent spaces are where solitaries flourish, as they provide the perfect environment for deep reflection and contemplation. Away from the world's distractions, they can truly concentrate on their internal thoughts and emotions, obtaining valuable perspectives on themselves and the world around them. But being a solitary doesn't imply rejecting all human interaction. On the contrary, Solitaries appreciate meaningful connections and deep dialogues with others. They understand the relevance of transmitting their wisdom and ideas with those prepared to hear. People born on the 12th, 13th, 21st, or 29th of any month represent the guide archetype. These people function as reliable beacons of support and knowledge, always prepared to orient others through life's challenges. They possess key characteristics like reliability, support, and flexibility, which transforms them into invaluable mentors and teachers. In their spiritual journey, guides perceive themselves as educators and guides eager to transmit the wisdom they have accumulated with those who seek it. They understand the relevance of mutual exchange in education and learning, recognizing that they also have much to obtain from others' perspectives and experiences. Guides shine most in moments of darkness, providing comfort and direction to those who require it. They have a talent for providing practical advice and emotional support, helping others navigate through life's ups and downs with elegance and resistance. People born on the 20th, 22nd, or 31st of any month represent the rebel archetype. These are the people who challenge the established order, questioning existing beliefs and structures in search of individual and collective freedom. Rebels value authenticity and frequently march to the beat of their own rhythm. For them, dissidence isn't only rebellion for rebellion's sake, but a call to transformation and liberation. They perceive flaws in social norms and aren't afraid to speak out against injustice and oppression. Rebels believe in the power of change and are willing to battle and fight for a better world. Their spiritual journey is one of self-discovery and liberation. Rebels understand that true freedom arises from embracing their authentic self and freeing themselves from social limitations. They reject the notion of conformity, choosing to live life on their own terms. If you're still reading, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, consider clicking the subscription button. Your support is greatly valued. Feel free to share your experiences or reflections in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more informative content.